In the heart of the Amazon, an ancient power stirs. A silent hunter. This is the realm of the giant snakes, apex predators. They are creatures of legend, embodying raw, untamed wilderness. And none command more respect or fear than the Green Anaconda. A creature perfectly adapted to its environment. For the Green Anaconda, every movement is calculated. A silent approach, a deadly patience. The predator holds its breath, waiting for the perfect moment. Explosive power, a lightning-fast strike. The jungle's rhythm of life and death plays out. The ultimate constrictor, its grip unbreakable. Every breath squeezed from its victim. Once subdued, the meal begins. An extraordinary feat of anatomy, allowing consumption of prey larger than itself. A testament to its evolutionary prowess. After hours, the feast is complete. Weeks of digestion now await. The cycle of life and death continues, hidden beneath the canopy. But the Green Anaconda is not alone in its domain. Other giants roam different corners of the world. From Asia's jungles, the Reticulated Python, a record breaker.
Known for its incredible length, it can exceed 20 feet.
An arboreal master, perfectly camouflaged. And in the same lands, the formidable King Cobra. The world's longest venomous snake, a true king. These giants are diverse, yet share a common power. The power of constriction, venom, and sheer size. Their bodies are living machines, engineered for survival. Every scale, every muscle, honed by evolution. Back in the Amazon, another vital chapter unfolds. For the female Green Anaconda, the ultimate challenge is reproduction. After months of gestation, the moment of birth is near. Unlike many snakes, Green Anacondas give live birth.
Each anaconda hatchling, a miniature replica of its powerful mother.
A new life begins, instantly ready to face the world. Born with instincts fully intact, no parental care awaits. A flurry of new life, each anaconda hatchling fighting for survival from day one. Over 20 anaconda hatchlings can be born in a single litter. Each anaconda hatchling must find its own way.
Instinctively, the young anaconda hatchling seeks its first meal.
Even at birth, the future giant snake exhibits its power.